HomCom is pretty much an exact replica of the last desk you saw me build, although you might not think so because this desk goes for $152 and comes in 2 separate boxes. It'll look like the previous desk except that there are some obvious differences. For example, the boards on this desk are thicker because they are actually honeycomb boards, and overall it's an all white desk with the exception of the stainless steel rods which will facilitate the rotation of this desk. By far this desk has been the easiest to put together because of how simple everything was. It's not time consuming at all, and for the most part anybody can build this. Basically this desk is made up of 2 sides, but what really caught my attention was the mechanism that will not only join both desks together, but actually help position it in any way that we want. It has the ability to rotate at a full 360 degrees, so we can go long ways, L-shaped, or overlap. The L-shaped version looked best for me, so that's what I went with. I opened it back up and I began to put together my small gaming setup. On the main desk we have the monitor, which is very lightweight, but even if it was heavy, the weight capacity of this desk is 220 pounds, so weight is definitely not an issue, and as you just saw, my mini Nintendo will be my console of choice for this very compacted setup. A stand for my tablet will be going on the right side of the monitor. I had a stack of Blu-rays for Prankster the movie that I wanted to have on this desk. LSA2 will have a place on this desk as well. Check out all the extra storage we have on the other side of the desk. There's definitely enough room there to hold books and other items that could be used for homework or actual work. The top is very sturdy and I can get a lot of writing done. Now at any time if I wish to make this setup smaller, all I have to do is tuck one side of the desk into the other, and just like that it becomes smaller. Since I have plenty of room to keep the desk L-shaped, you can definitely appreciate all the extra space from this angle.